The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and other federal agencies work diligently to promote the survival of ESA-listed fish through the Columbia River system. We're biologists working with other biologists to find ways to meet our stewardship responsibilities. We're improving habitat along the river. We research, monitor, and evaluate how we operate the dams. We also recognize that the double-crested cormorant colony in the estuary has grown. It's impacting the mortality of juvenile salmon and needs to be addressed. Lethal control is a serious action. If there's another solution that fits within the parameters of the project, tell us. But understand, no action is not an option. The Corps of Engineers is required to manage cormorant predation at East Sand Island. We want to do it responsibly and humanely.